Are you all fired up to start meditating, but you are really not sure how you should sit? And you're really worried that if you don't sit properly, your back is going to ache and nothing's going to go right? Well, you are not alone, and this video is for you. I'm going to share 5 tips on how to sit comfortably for meditation. I'm Shirley Archer. I'm a best-selling author of 15 books on fitness and wellness. I'm an award-winning trainer. I'm a mindful meditation and yoga instructor and a mindful health educator. I am super passionate about sharing tips and information to empower you to live the healthy, happy, energetic, joyful life that you deserve. Meditation will be a great contributor to enhancing your peace of mind and focus to help you achieve your health and life goals. Let's get started. 5 tips on how to sit. Number 1, be comfortable. There is no requirement that you sit on the floor. It is absolutely not necessary. And if you want to do it, that is an option, and I'm going to show you some props. But if that is not comfortable for you, it is so okay to sit in a chair. So number 1, be comfortable. Number 2, posture is critical. So I'm going to slide back so you can see. You want to have a lengthened spine. The importance is twofold. 1, you want to be able to breathe deeply and fully. And you want to avoid any stress or strain. So you want to have the head level, the shoulders relaxed, the natural curves of the spine. This is actually the best alignment with gravity and creates the least amount of stress for your body. Number 3, it's very important that your hips be slightly elevated so that they are higher than your knee. I like this crescent-shaped cushion, but you can simply use a rolled up blanket or towel. Anything works fine. So just slightly elevate the hips. Your knees should be above the ankles and your feet should be flat on the floor. So everything is very nicely supported. And if you need cushions on your back, if you're prone to slouching, then support your back with some blankets or pillows. You can place your hands at the junction of the hip and thigh with either the palms up or the palms down. Either is correct, or you can gently rest one hand in the other and keep the shoulders relaxed. Alternatively, you can even roll up your shirt and rest your hands in your shirt. That provides a little additional support, or you can place a pillow under your hands. All of these options are okay because the most important thing is that you be comfortable. And number 5, after you've set up your position, lengthened spine, hands on the thigh, or gently folded together, feet on the floor, head level, just do a body scan and see if you feel any tension or if you need any additional support. And if yes, get pillows, get blankets, find a different chair, whatever you need, but make sure that you're comfortable. And here are some additional props that I want to share with you. So as I showed you before, I like this crescent-shaped cushion. Another option is a bench. You can sit on a kneeling on a bench. This is one of my favorites if I'm on the floor. And this is great for storage because it has hinges. You can fold it up. And another feature of this bench that I love is that it's rounded. So it actually rocks on the floor and you can find the exact angle that feels very comfortable for you to kneel on. And then I put a blanket under my legs so that the tops of my shins don't hurt on the floor. And the other option is a rounded cushion, but this requires a little bit more hip flexibility. So before you advance to a rounded cushion on the floor, make sure that your hips are stretched out enough that that is a comfortable position for you. I would love it if in tips below you would share what is your favorite sitting position. Or let me know if you have any questions about how you should sit. Being uncomfortable should not be a barrier to your meditation practice, and it's worth taking a little extra time and effort to figure out exactly how to make your sitting posture comfortable. And you can also vary. I mix it up. Sometimes I'm in a chair, sometimes on a cushion, sometimes on the bench. Just depends how my back, how my knees, how my hips are feeling. So if you need to do that because it's more important that you're consistent with your practice. That will give you the peaceful calm and centering that you enjoy. Please click below and subscribe if you'd like to hear more videos, if you'd like to watch more videos like this. This is part of my playlist on how to begin a meditation practice, and you want to subscribe so you don't miss any more videos. Thank you for your time. Until later, take care. Stay healthy and happy.